Here comes De La Cruz. Oops, remaining Tonyo. Tonyo, Ayos, defense. De La Cruz, trying to defend. Lantawan drives. Yes! And the final being called by Elabuan City. 43-30. Who will reach the title? This is your championship game. First goes to the Youngsters. Thank you. Pangalawa, hindi pa rin pumasok ang Remorin. Toyo. Sarabo, it's a pass. Almost stolen with the blue shirts. Lantawan drives. Short. One more time. Yes! Step up three. Number 12. Isa pang tira. Number 11. Number 12, number 11, shot clock, 5. And that's the end of our first set 5 on the stand 2.1 points. Number 11 for Greg Moore. Number 11 points. Number 18. Yes, Remorin for another 2. PK Uwa. Likewise, Ivana EC, the Sports Development Officer for Lantawan City. Welcome po dito sa Lantawan City. Number 15, De La Cruz, penetrating insides and dropping off. Lantawan. De La Cruz attacks, passes, number 7, Tonyo, that's the two. Still no good, DI, and Tonyo connects the two. Matagal na yung bago sa Musulmete, number 5, stop, bounce and goal. Lantawan. De La Cruz. Tolentino for 3. Tolentino for 3. Lantawan for 3. No. Doria. Doria still attacking. Here comes De La Cruz. Oops, you're getting Tonyo. Tonyo, Ayos, Cruz, De La Cruz, trying to defend. Lantawan drives. Yes! And a timeout being called by Elabuan City. 43-37. De La Cruz, stolen by Hulano. Pascual attacks. Pascual scores. And the Araos. The ball was stolen by Tonyo. Tonyo attacks. Tonyo Mesa. Lantawan. Orlando, time to shoot. Bandes, yes! Pangasinan Zoo, 6 years, there is blood.